Lloyd Perry Casner, August 30, 1928 in Miami, Florida, April 10, 1965 in Le Mans, France, was an American race car driver and the creator of the Casner Motor Racing Division team. An airline pilot by trade, Lloyd Casner developed an interest in the Maserati Birdcage and started his team in order to enter the 1960 24 Hours of Le Mans. In August 1960, a Tipo 61 entered by Casner's Team Camoradi, driven by Stirling Masten Gurney, won the 1,000 kilometers of Nürburgring. Sharing a birdcage with Masten Gregory, Casner won the 1961 1,000 kilometers Nürburgring for Team Camoradi, but never won Le Mans. He was killed when he crashed a new Maserati during testing for the upcoming 1965 24 Hours of Le Mans. He was featured in the 1961 film The Green Helmet. Casner participated in one non-championship Formula One race, the 1961 Glover Trophy. Non-championship Formula One results. Key races in bold indicate pole position. Races in italics indicate fastest lap. External links. HistoricRacing.com profile on Casner. Lloyd Casner on IMDb.